Every year, Samsung launches its S series flagships in the first quarter, and usually the launch takes place in February or March. But it is rumored that next year Samsung is going to launch them as early as in January. Now there is some confusion in the naming because it is still unknown whether we will see the Samsung Galaxy S30 series next year or the Galaxy S21 series. Most of the rumors do suggest that it is the Galaxy S21 series that is launching next year, but we'll see. Anyways, today we got our first look at the design of Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which just like this year is going to be the most high-end and also the most expensive phone under the Galaxy S21 series. These CAD-based renders of the phone were shared by Steve aka OnLeaks, and they reveal the full design of the phone. The biggest design change is on the back, where we see that camera module that has a massive camera bump. There are up to 4 cameras in this camera module, and this time Samsung has designed the camera module such that it wraps around the frame of the phone. You can understand how big the camera bump really is when I tell you that the thickness of the phone without the camera bump is 8.9mm, whereas including the camera bump the thickness is 10.8mm. On the front there is an Infinity O display with slightly curved sides and thinner bezels than this year's Galaxy S20 Ultra. The renders show that there is no bottom bezel at all, but we know that's not going to be the case in real life. The display size is going to be between 6.7 and 6.9 inches. There were some rumors that the Galaxy S21 Ultra will come with an S Pen, but OnLeaks says that there is no dedicated slot for the S Pen as on the Note series devices. Now this doesn't necessarily mean that there is no S Pen support at all, because there might be S Pen support in the software. So that is all about the design of Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and right now we have no information regarding the specifications of the phone. What do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.